Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use omega fish oil. Start by choosing a reputable brand that lists EPA and DHA amounts clearly on the label. Store bottles in a cool, dark place and check expiration dates. Take your dose with a protein or fat-containing meal to boost absorption. If you experience burps, try splitting doses across the day or using enteric-coated capsules for gentler digestion. When deciding dosage, consider your health goals like heart support or inflammation reduction. Many people aim for 250 mg to 1,000 mg of combined EPA and DHA for general wellness, while therapeutic uses may require higher doses under medical supervision. Always mention fish oil when discussing medications, especially blood thinners, because it can affect bleeding risk. Adjust timing and interactions matter for effectiveness and safety. Taking fish oil with a meal that contains fat improves absorption, so pair it with breakfast or dinner. Be cautious if you are on anticoagulants or expect surgery, and consult your clinician before high-dose use. Keep capsules sealed in a cool, dry location to prevent them from going rancid, and consider refrigerated storage after opening if the label recommends it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.